Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for a location in Google Maps. This is super handy for sharing places like businesses, meeting points, or landmarks. It's quick, simple, and perfect. So let's get started. This method works on iOS, Android, laptops, and other electronic devices. First, open Google Maps. Search for the location you want to share, or you can simply click on a particular location point to pin it. In the location menu, look for the share button and click it. Then select copy link. Go back and open your web browser and search for QR Code Monkey in the Google. Then tap on it. This is a reliable free QR code generator website. Now find the field where you can paste a URL. Tap on it and clear the existing link. Paste the location URL you copied earlier into the URL field. You can change the colors, add a logo, or adjust the design. This is optional, but it's a great way to personalize your QR code for businesses or special events. Once you're ready, tap on Create QR Code. Your QR code will appear instantly on the screen. Click the download button to save the QR code as an image. And then open the downloaded image from here. Tap on the screen for options to appear. Then tap on this. And save right from here to save it to the photos. Now your QR code is ready to go. You can share it by printing it on flyers or business cards, or send it digitally via email, social media, or messaging apps. Anyone who scans the QR code will be directed straight to the location in Google Maps. And that's it, you've just created a QR code for a location in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.